Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove TikTok's watermark. So as you know, when you save a video from TikTok directly by using this save photo or video options, there will be watermark attached to the videos or photos. And if you want to save the TikTok videos without the watermark, you can just follow this step-by-step guide, because I'll show you how you can remove TikTok's watermark easily and effectively. So what you need to do is just find the TikTok videos that you want to save to your album. For example, I'm going to download this one. You can click on the share button. So instead of click on the save video, you need to copy the link. So tap on this copy link option. And there are two methods that you can do to remove the TikTok watermark. First, you can download the videos using online video downloader, TikTok video downloader, or you can also use a TikTok video downloader applications that you can find on App Store or Play Store. So here I'm going to show you the two methods. First, let's open the Play Store and find the TikTok video downloader. You can click on search and search for TikTok video downloader. So by using this application, you can easily download the TikTok videos that you want without the watermark. So I already downloaded an app. I've already installed the Snaptik app on my phone. This one, I've already have the Snaptik downloader video, TikTok video downloader. Now you can also do the same and then just tap on open. So when you use this app, the link that you copy will automatically paste onto the applications. So you can just download the video. As you guys can see here, the link has been pasted. Sorry, there's an ad here. Okay, this one you can just tap on download video and the video will be downloaded without watermark. And next, you can use the online video downloader. Just open your browser and then find TikTok video downloader. Open it and do the same. Just paste the link that you've copied and tap on download. And here you can see there will be this option without watermarks. So just hit on that button and your videos will be saved without the TikTok's watermark. And that's all for me. Just follow this guide to remove watermarks effortlessly and make your videos shine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks for more TikTok and editing tutorials. Bye!